Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect your Android WhatsApp to your laptop or PC. First, open web.whatsapp.com on your computer using any browser. Now, on your Android phone, open WhatsApp, tap the three dots menu at the top, and select Link Devices. Next, tap on Link a Device, then point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. That's it. Your WhatsApp is now connected, and you can send and receive messages directly from your laptop or PC. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment if this tutorial helped you.